Welcome to our channel.
Ballers by Design.
You do it too much.
Well, hello there, good people. Today we are making peach dump cake. I don't know if you saw our previous video where we made a strawberry cheesecake dump cake, which was fantastic. Well, if you like peach cobbler, I think this is a recipe you'll love as well. I went ahead and got my cans cleaned off and my pan rinsed off. So what you're going to need is 2 cans of peach pie filling, a cup of sugar, a cake mix of your choice. I'm using French vanilla. Butter cake, white cake, or even spice cake will work for this recipe. You're also going to need 2 packages of instant oatmeal, brown sugar, vanilla, cinnamon, nutmeg, and butter. Now, I know that was a lot to take in, so I will be sure to leave the ingredient list in the description in case you want to follow along with this recipe. Now, what you just saw me do, I was about to pour my pie filling in the pan when I decided to spray it with butter spray first. Now, the pie filling probably won't stick to the bottom of the pan, but I wanted to spray it just in case. Alright, so what we're going to do is go ahead and get both cans of peach pie filling dumped into the bottom of our pan, and we'll begin layering on the rest of the ingredients. Okay, to the peach pie filling, I am going to add some vanilla. I didn't measure, but it's probably about a tablespoon and a half. Then you want to go ahead and add your cup of sugar. Yes, the pie filling is already sweetened, but for me and my taste, it's not sweet enough. Also, you want to go ahead and sprinkle on some cinnamon. Now, I really love the taste of cinnamon, especially with peaches or peach cobbler peach cake. So I put quite a bit, but you can put how much you like. I would say at least add about a teaspoon. And then I just put a little bit of nutmeg on top of that because it has a pretty strong flavor. And then after that, all you have to do is get it all mixed together. Once you get your ingredients all mixed in good together, you want to just flatten out your peaches at the bottom of the pan. You want to make sure that you have it kind of evenly dispersed at the bottom of your pan so that you'll get some peaches in every bite. So I grabbed my cake mix because I was going to put that right on top, and then I thought, hey, I'm going to add a few dollops of butter on top of the peaches first. So I did that. I got out 2.5 sticks of butter because I wasn't sure exactly how much I was gonna need, but I did take the half a stick of butter and slice some thin pieces to place on top of the peaches. This is not a low-calorie recipe, you guys, so if you want to skip adding this part, you can, but I wanted the nice buttery flavor over my peaches. Hey, while you guys are watching, I think it's a great time to ask you to please consider subscribing to our channel. It really helps us grow, and hit the notification bell so that you'll stay up to date with everything Ballers by Design. Okay, so once the butter was added, I went ahead and got my cake mix and poured it on top. You are going to pour the entire bag of cake mix on top of your peach mixture. Now after that, you're going to want to make sure that you flatten out your cake mix on top of your peach pie filling. Don't mix it. You just want to make sure that your cake mix is evenly spread out on top of your pie filling. I gave it a few taps just to make sure everything was settled on top good. Now I'm gonna take my instant oatmeal. I am using maple brown sugar. And I'm just gonna sprinkle it right on top. You're gonna need 2 packages to go on top of your cake. Also, I don't think I mentioned, I am using a 9 by 13 inch foil cake pan. Okay, so I had a little piece right there that was kind of clumped together that I had to break apart. Now it's time to add the brown sugar. I didn't measure, I just sprinkled until it felt right. But if you guys need a measurement, I would say you need about a 1/2 cup to maybe 3/4 cup to go on top of the oatmeal. Once I got all of my brown sugar on top, I did pat it down a little bit and sprinkled some more cinnamon on top, just a little bit. Okay, last step before going into the oven, we're gonna take our butter. I have cold butter. I'm going to slice it up and put it all over the top of this cake. This is what's going to melt on top of that brown sugar and give you a nice crispy crust. I do have 2 sticks of butter here, but I did not need it all. I used about a stick and a half. So for this entire recipe, I'd say you only need 2 sticks of butter. Hey y'all, if there is a recipe that you'd like to see us try, leave it in the comments. We may just do it. Y'all know I love to cook, and so does my daughter. My husband and my son, of course, you know, they like to just enjoy. But we would love to hear from you guys, and we may just choose a recipe to do from you. Alright, last piece of butter on top. Now I'm just going to cover this with foil, and it is ready to go into the oven. I did bake this at 350 degrees. It baked for approximately 58 minutes. Halfway through, about 30 minutes in, I did take the foil off to let it bake the rest of the way. And just like that, it is done. It smells and looks delicious. And y'all know I had to give you a close-up. Feast your eyes on this deliciousness now. Y'all hear that? It has a nice crispy crust. Y'all know the only thing left to do is serve it up. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Yes. Pure deliciousness here. That's it, y'all. All that's left to do is eat it, okay? Don't forget, y'all, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and we'll see you on the next one. All right. Hope y'all give this one a try. Thanks for watching Ballads by Design. Love y'all big time. Bye.